Hello, this is just an updated video of a game I'm making. It's of the Millennium Falcon TIE Fighter and X-Wing um, Star Wars icons, like iconic objects. I'm just going to press the go button. This is the gameplay. If I want to kill Luke, I could. I'm going to kill the music real quick. That way you can hear me. And blaring. But anyhow, that's the game. Notice that the Death Star is getting bigger in the background. That kind of thing. I'm just going to do a couple of plays. I'm currently I'm currently working on the artificial intelligence for Luke. Right now, Luke basically works too well. Um, I want to make it to where he ignores certain ships. Maybe doesn't make as many hits. Right now, if it's in range and all that, it does it. I'm changing that around, tweaking it a little bit here and there, that kind of stuff. But this game is written inside of use C Sharp and X and A. Um, it's pretty fun making games. I enjoy it. Just doing a quick run of the code I coded in this. This is just pretty much the overall game right here. The other classes, which are right here, game object. This is the basic sprite class, the parent sprite class. All the other sprites will inherit from this. So I cover things like pixel manipulation, whether or not pixels are over other pixels, so it does a collision kind of check, scaling images, all that. Face a certain direction, check the distance. Move to a certain direction. I'm sorry, move to a certain location. Check the location, determine whether or not you're within a certain range, give or take 10, and then returns it. Are we there yet? So it's a Boolean. Just a bunch of different things. Also, this here's a little bit of debug data. I gotta keep this video under 10 minutes, so I can't really go too far into it. But I have a player. The same thing with the TIE Fighter and all that. It inherits from the game object, and this is what's going on here. And right now, I'm still doing the artificial intelligence for it. And right here is right where I'm at. If random number is artificial intelligence, whether or not, if it's within a certain range, it's going to fire other. If it's not within a certain range, it's not going to fire. So I'm just picking a random number and then making a whole bunch of different determinations on that. This is a little bit of a delegate kind of thing going on here, just on the firing, that kind of stuff. But TIE Fighter pretty much looks a lot like this. There's a few things that are different, so it needed its own class. And the same with the shots. It inherits from the game object. What it basically checks to see if the shot is, I believe inside this one here, who fired the shot. Yes, and pretty much, whoops, just going to say Control Z. Pretty much I'm just checking to see who fired the shot, whether or not the shot came from a TIE fighter, came from a player one ship, and then do whatever. That's my alarm system on the house. And this is the routine for fire shot. But pretty much that's the code. Not all of it, but if you're an employer and you'd like to get the code, I will copy and paste it all into a text file, the prospective text files, and send them. If you want a source of the code, I'll even send that, but you'll need to install XNA Game Studios. I think it's 3 for Visual Studios 2008. There is a little bit of routine. We'll also send instructions on how to install that. You'll also need, obviously, Visual Studios 2008 to run the code. That's my son. He just came up the stairs with his friends, so it might get a little loud. He likes music. But yeah, this here is the code running again. Let's see here, I'm going to turn it down. And I'm just looking to see how much time I have. I got about 4 more minutes. But basically, I could make a loop to where after I kill a ship, another ship comes out from the Death Star. I can make other planets come into view as the Death Star is coming in. Maybe make the Death Star shoot the planets, just like in the movie, and blow them up. Even if I want to, I can kill Luke. I'm a terrible shot. I don't play video games very much. And once you kill Luke, you're unemployed. You know. But the princess is mine. I don't think she'll be very happy with me killing her brother. But she don't know that yet. Anyhow, I enjoy making games. It's a lot of fun. And thank you for watching. Again, if you liked the video, subscribe. If actually, I think I'm going to make this here a private video or an unlisted video, just to pretty much tie it with my resume, and that way people can see what I pretty much do as far as programming. I'm going to have a bunch of other videos. Again, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it.